So with us, this is a demo for a project, live project. So at NGAHTech, you'll be able to learn how to create beautiful landing page like this one. You can call it website, very beautiful. Okay, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so simple, neat, and beautiful. So you can contact us right now for your project. You can contact us right now if you need if you're an intern. Contact us and we're going to give you. So this one is for our client. Okay, it's our clients that have done this, so you easily do that. This is another one for NGAHTech. Okay, it's another landing page. So get to us right away, and you see all this one will be done it with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Very beautiful. You'll be able to do this type of project. So do not hesitate to reach us. We are out at your disposal. Thank you. Bring your prayer to us, and we are going to work and deliver them beautifully, just as we have done for this company. Thank you, and see you in our next video.